So when you're in EdPuzzle and you're trying to find some information, right? So if we look at up on the top left, we can search all the content. So again, we're in the content section. We can find kind of some of these videos, and again, I'm just going to choose one. Right? So I'll say this one. We can see we have questions listed during these points of the video. We can see them down here. We can click on those to see what that question was. To get the next one, we can go skip, right? And we can continue on to see all these. If we want to edit it, change anything to it, we can simply click edit and then change it. It'll make a copy into our content. But if we don't need to change it at all, so if you need to change it, click edit, and then you're going to take out some of the questions, add questions, edit the questions, etc. But if you're all set, which is I think what you're looking for right now, you can simply click assign. Okay. Our classes, we've added them already. We've added them already in the past. So what you want to do is you're going to choose the class you want to assign it to, and you could choose multiple classes if you have multiple classes that it needs to go to. You can schedule it for in the future, or if you want it available right away, you click today, but let's just say we want it to go on Monday. We can set the due date for Friday. We can save that. All right, so you want prevent skipping on. This forces them to answer the question before they're able to move on to the rest of the video. So if you want it off, you can turn it off, but I'm assuming you want this on. They need to answer the question before moving on. Do you want to turn on closed captions? If you want closed captions, the text being set at the bottom of the screen for that video, you can turn that on. We want to post this on Google Classroom. This is the easiest thing. So we click on. Okay, and this will send this assignment to Google Classroom, and I'll show you that in a second. So I chose my class. I'm going to post it on Google Classroom. And I go ahead and hit assign. Okay. You can see that's posted. So if I bump over to my Google Classroom real quick and I choose that class, you're going to see on my classwork section. And again, I didn't give this a topic or anything, so you can see it's here. You can see that it's gray because I scheduled it for March 8th, right? So if you did today, if you chose that setting today when you scheduled it, it would be blue, it would be live. But here I can go ahead and I can edit this. I can give it my appropriate topic, you know, the unit that I'm in, so it's categorized correctly. I can change the amount of points that it's worth. Maybe you don't want it for all students. You can choose that. You could add additional instructions if you want, but really the big one is changing that topic. And again, you can leave it scheduled. And that's all there is to it as far as making sure that you get this video assigned to your class. You can see I've changed the topic. Now it's sitting here in my week 9 unit. So the students would see that, click it, and they'd get right into the video.